Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. In this video we'll be looking at how you can stop several apps on spying on your system. So let's get started. So over here I have downloaded this TCP view where you can see the TCP and UDP connections and the app which is listening with the local ports, remote addresses and remote port. So if an app is connected to the internet, it will show you the local address and the remote address over here. Likewise over here, if you can see that there are apps like system settings, this is my local address, the public you see the private IP, and then there is in public address. Likewise with iCloud and other several apps over here like Steam. So if you find any app which is connected to the internet and which doesn't require an internet connection, like some of the apps like OBS and some of the system settings or Bluetooth or any wireless devices which can work locally, and if they are still connected for update and something like that, for update and any other settings, so you can still disable them because not all the time they're required to be connected to online services. I'll show you with an example of AnyDex. You can see that AnyDex is connected right now over here, and likewise my Steam services also, you can see they are connected. For example, let's see with AnyDex, which have established a connection. This is my local private IP and it's been connected to the remote address. So if you want to disable this, for example, if you don't want AnyDex to be connected, so you can create a rule in the firewall. So what you need to do is go to search and search for firewall and click on Windows Defender Firewall. Click on advanced setting, click on outbound rules, and then over here create a new rule by new rule, program, next, and here you need to paste the path for that particular program which you need to block. So let me copy the path like AnyDesk over here, right click, go to properties, click this path without the quotation, copy and paste it over here, click next. You need to block it, so select block, next, domain, public and private, whatever you want to select, next, and name it like block AnyDex and then click finish. So now here you can see that the greens are the one which are allowed to the firewalls and the red with the cross sign is the block. So if you go to AnyDex right now, you can see it says disconnected from AnyDesk network. Now go back to TCP view, refresh it, and you can see most of the AnyDesk services, they are disconnected, like remote is 000, and moreover AnyDesk, nothing is there, nothing is listening, and even over here nothing is there, 000. So for example, if you don't want this application to get online by time to time, you can create this rule and you can block it. And if you want to enable it, instead of deleting this rule, all you need to do is disable this rule, and within few time you can see over here AnyDesk is connected. It will show online and free services. So give it some time. In the meantime, you can check TCP view, click refresh. Click refresh again and check for AnyDesk services. Over here you can see it's back online again. And if you go to TCP view, click refresh and then check AnyDesk is connected. Yes, it is. This is my IP address and this is the remote. So with TCP view, you can check that which applications are getting online and which you can block and which are eating your internet resources. So you can check them and you can make them disable. So this was a short video. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.